Hey, all you orange tractor guys out there. This is a really cool tip that I just thought of to check the tachometer and hour meter gauge. It wasn't working for me, and so I took it apart, and this end that ends here in the engine compartment was snapped. The cable itself was snapped right here at the end, and so that was definitely the problem. So what I wanted to do though is just to make sure that before I buy a cable that the tach and the counter is actually working. So what I did was I took the core out of the cable, and I cut a piece of the outer sheath off. So then what that did was leave me some cable to spin, and I proceeded to hook up my drill to test out to see if it's actually working. And there you go. You can see that my drill is enough to make it spin and test that it actually works. And the key is that you have to run your drill in reverse. You'd think it'd be forward, but it's not. Tried it a couple times in forward, thinking that was the direction, but it just the needle just sat at 0, of course. So luckily I didn't wreck it, but as long as your drill's in reverse, then it'll make the tach go. And another thing I did was to check the hour meter. As long as you can run the drill for 6 minutes, the 1/10 of an hour should roll over. And funny thing is I was really persistent, and I didn't see any movement until about 4 minutes in, 4 or 5 minutes. And then all of a sudden it flipped. So I think it takes some time, and then it just flips when it's time to roll over. So if you run the drill for a full 6 minutes, you should see the 1/10 of an hour roll over to the next digit. I was at 289.9 and now I'm at 290, so it works. So that's just something cool that thought might be helpful for somebody that's trying to troubleshoot the tachometer and hour meter of your Kubota. My model is the B7200, but I'm sure that this applies to many other models.